Whether you need your practitioner training or need to set up your SQF programs, we've got you covered. Registrar Corp's SQF practitioner training makes it easier for you to understand, implement, and document your SQF food safety management system.
Hello, I'm Cynthia Weber, the developer of our online SQF training courses, and have been training and assisting companies to achieve food safety certifications for over 25 years. This course is designed for the person who will be the SQF practitioner in a company that is either working on achieving SQF certification or already certified. In the introduction to SQF, you will learn about the requirements of the SQF code. The training includes videos explaining the requirements, followed by interactive exercises that let you work with the information and deepen your understanding.
Only Registrar's SQF training includes in-depth modules on SQF requirements, internal auditing, and editable templates to help you streamline your SQF implementation. The SQF Practitioner course also teaches you how to set up your internal audit program and effectively conduct audits, ensuring compliance and operational excellence.
The training includes an interactive practice audit, so you can have hands-on practice and feedback as you audit Mandy's Vanilla. This practice will help you prepare to conduct your own audits and be confident in your skills as you do.
This online course is available 24/7 for a whole year, so you can take it at your pace and on your own schedule. We also provide an SQF food safety manual, 20 SOPs, and 23 forms to implement your SQF program.
Once you complete the training, you may print your training certificate, which will be your training record.
Join the thousands of food safety professionals who trust Registrar Corp's SQF practitioner training to achieve compliance and confidence in your organization. Start today with Registrar Corp's trusted SQF practitioner training. Gain the confidence to implement, audit, and maintain SQF compliance for your facility. Learn online, anytime, anywhere. Register and begin today.